Good morning, it's Sandy. Thanks for stopping by. Gotta have a candle no matter what time of day it is. I've never done a product review, and I thought I would show you this keyboard that I fell in love with that I saw online. So I'm gonna have my coffee and let's unbox it and see what we've got. I saw it on TikTok and then I picked it up on Amazon. I think it's Pompetti, and it was $26, I believe. There's similar ones that have either slightly higher or lower prices. So the goal is that my office will have a makeover soon. It'll be all white with maybe pale gray walls, and I thought that a pink keyboard would look so cute on a white desk. And if you're like me and you like those click-clack keys, this is what I was hoping for. It takes one AA battery. It's very lightweight. I'm hoping to get a monitor, a larger monitor, eventually, 26, 28 inch. For now, I've been using my laptop, but it's supposed to connect super easy. I've never had an external keyboard, so I'm hoping that it does connect super easy. I've already put in the batteries off camera. The mouse also takes one AA battery. So I'm just opening up my Bluetooth settings. Sorry I didn't get it on camera. The mouse feels real nice in the hand. Pretty sturdy. Clicks nicely. I connected really quickly. The keys feel amazing and the sound is perfect. Exactly what I was hoping for. Let me know in the comments if you like this keyboard, if you've used it, if you have something similar or better. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.